This one is super wicked easy and very good. So now we're just gonna put a bunch of coarse salt in this pan. Now it's very important that you use coarse salt. Table salt will not work for this, okay? Next we're gonna put our rack in the middle here. Now the chicken. And this is super important. It has to be very, very dry. Get underneath the wings, between the thigh. I'm going to season this with some black pepper. So now we're going to put a lemon inside the cavity of our chicken. I took out the seeds. And the way this works is the moisture in this lemon is going to make that salt come up and crisp and salt our chicken. Believe it or not. And you're going to end up with a nice crisp chicken, the skin, and you know, it's going to be flavored. It'll be salted. You do not need to add more salt to this. It's awesome. We're going to start the cooking breast side down. So now I'm going to wash my hands and pepper it in the back. It's only going to be on the breast for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed. You can already see how dry this skin is. Oh, this is going to be perfect. I want you to turn this over without burning yourself. Go ahead and just dab it with a paper towel, okay? This is going to go back in the oven for at least another hour. This is a small chicken. It's about 3.5 pounds, so it won't take that long. Yeah, if you have a bigger chicken, of course, it's going to take longer to cook. Very important that we eat chicken that's fully cooked. Otherwise, we will get sick. Check that out. It's beautiful. It has a nice tan. You can tell how crisp this is just from looking at it. You know what my favorite part is with this chicken? The wingtip. Oh, it's like a cookie. It just melt, you know, it just crunches up in your mouth. It's delicious. How I know this is cooked is I separated the leg from, you know, the thigh there. I just opened it up and clear juices came out, no blood. So it's ready. You can also use a meat thermometer. It would have to register, you know, close to the bone, 165, and it's done. Okay? I'm going to carve this and serve it. Very nice. This took an hour and a half in the oven, by the way, guys. Here's our chicken. It looks good, doesn't it? I'm just going to show you a piece of the breast so that you can see how moist this is. Now, this isn't exploding in flavor. It's a nice, simple chicken. It doesn't need any more salt or pepper. It's perfect. If you want, you know, wanted it to have herbs and stuff, we have all kinds of other roasted chickens on the website for you to check out.